Hello everyone. If you are trying to learn Excel formulas and be expert in Excel, you don't need because ChatGPT will solve all problems. Today I will show you 3 examples where we can write formulas, clean data and also analyze data using ChatGPT. So let's watch video until the end and you will learn all the techniques and tricks how we can use ChatGPT. The first example that I would like to share is that we have salesperson, region, sales and bonus. For example, we want to find bonus per those if the sales was greater than 5,000 and the region was north, so the bonus for that will be 10%. But if the sales was greater than 5,000 and the region was not north, for that the bonus is 8% and for the rest 0% bonus. So let's try it and ask from ChatGPT. On the right side we have ChatGPT opened. I will paste my prompt. Here is my Excel table. Salesperson in column A, region in B and sales in C. So we want a formula for bonus column with these rules. If it's greater than 5,000 north 10%, 8% and other, as I explained. Press enter so it will provide you a formula. This is the formula. Let's copy this and paste it here. So look at bonus 600. The 10% bonus is 600. Drag it down 0, 0 and 560 because the region is east and that was 8%. And here 10% and here 0 because that is lower than 5,000. So this was the first example that we found the bonus per region. Now let's move to our second example where we have messy data and we want to clean this data. So look at spaces at the start, at the mid and also the capitalization up. So we will just clean this data. For that, let's come here back to the ChatGPT and I will paste this prompt. I have names in column A in Excel with inconsistent capitalization and extra spaces. How I can convert them to a proper case. So press enter so it will provide us the function, the formula to clean our data. So look at proper and trim. Copy this and paste it here. So look at it. We will have our data, clean data. Drag it down. So a clean data with capitalization that we have like this. Now we can copy this and paste that here. So this was about to clean data. The third example that will be about the sales. It means, for example, we have different products and we want to find the sum of laptop, mouse, because we have different laptop products, different mouse and different keyboard. So we want to find the sum of every product. So for that we will ask from ChatGPT. So let's paste our prompt. I have product names in column A and sales in column B. How can I calculate total sales for each product in Excel? For each product we want the sales. So we will use SUMIF function. So let's copy this, paste it here. So there are two options. Okay, method 1 and come here down method 2. But the method 2 is easy, but let's solve it through formulas method 1. So it says, first of all, you should have a unique list of the product. Okay, so to find the unique list of the product, then we can use this formula to find the sum of the product. So let's first of all find the unique list of the product. So for that I will ask how to find the unique list of products formula. You can ask everything from ChatGPT, so it will provide you. So it will now look at unique. So let's find first of all unique list of the products. So look at, we have these 3 products. So after finding this, now here we will use the above formula. Just come here, this one. List that here. So look at 2,700, 450 and keyboard 300 because we have one keyboard that is 300 and for mouse which we have 1 and 2, 200 and 250 which is 450 and for the laptop. So it is how we can find. And the second method is a pivot table. So just click in your data, move to the insert, and here add pivot table. That is in data, insert table, pivot table, new worksheet. Just drag product to the row, sales to the values. So like this you can find, look at the same thing, the same table, and also you can have the grand total. That is how we can use ChatGPT with MS Excel. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.